During October into November 2022, I took on a restoration and painting job. I was asked by an elderly couple in Shepshed to paint their conservatory. The job wasn't quite so simple though. Wet rot had took hold in numerous locations. Knowing it is pointless painting over rotten wood, I dug out and then cut out the rot before patching up using made-to-fit redwood purchased from Harlow's in Long Wotton. Painting could only take place once new wood had been fitted. I used no nails, run-seal wood filler and screws to secure each piece of wood, effectively building up the finished patchwork. Wilko's evergreen was used on the doors and Dulux gloss brilliant white on the framework. I agreed with the couple before I started the job that I'd receive payment each week so that it avoided having a great big bill at the end of the actual job once complete. And it's also reassured me that they would actually pay as I progressed with the job itself. To complete the job, I used three main power tools: a portable circular evolution saw, which weighs a few kilograms and is ideal for cutting posts, thicker wood. I used an Erbauer multi-tool for a lot of sculpturing and just enabling me to blend the wood into the previous framework, and a battery-powered drill and screwdriver combo tool, which is from JCB, an excellent product. When it came to sanding, I tended to use the Erbauer handy tool more than anything, just with a sanding attachment, which just proves excellent. And with the triangular shape, let you get into tight corners to finish everything off.